Afternoon, family. Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. It's it's about almost 7 o'clock. I just got home from work. I opened the doors just to get the birds out. Had a few over there. Got a few right there. Trying to fill up my waterers. That water's they pretty much not scared of too much, so I'm just gonna take it with me out here. That one right there. That one is my Trenton. Looks like his parents. Those two right there are my Trenton birds. I don't know how great they are. We're just gonna see what happens. But for the most part, we try to get everybody out. I had a couple of them running around. I don't know where they at. Put the pause. I counted about 60 of them out, and then the ones that's inside there. Let's see. It's probably about 20 in there. So probably about 70 plus. I got 3 inside that one. They looked a little thin. The one up there. They looked a little thin, but I hit them up with the 3-in-1. See if I can. We're not gonna go nowhere. One right there. That one. And that one. They just look a little thin. They got 3-in-1 water. They got plenty of food. So this is their 3rd day out. I ain't chasing nobody up. They look like they just walking around picking at the little flowers. Already got a few still flying around, but for the most part, it's one up there. Well, it was one up there. He just came down. Got one right there. I'm gonna have to grab him. He's walking pretty slow, so. All right. Well, we're gonna call him in a little while. I'm gonna try to stay out here with him. Okay, family, it's not really dark yet. I'm gonna leave the cage open and not the doors. I'm gonna leave the top part open and let them hang out as long as they want. I'm gonna go ahead and call them in, see what they want to do. Well, I can't find nobody. No tree huggers. It might be somebody flying around somewhere, but they got until later. They know how to trap. So, all right. Gonna hook these guys up. Just gotta feed them and the ones on the very end over here. They're not going nowhere. All right, family, it looks like everybody except for this little group over here got the medication in their water already. And I'm just gonna go on and feed them. All right, comment, subscribe. Thank everybody for sending me the comment about the cocks and hens. I pretty much got all the eggs already taken out. These are my plastic eggs. So I already took all them out, so nobody should have no eggs in there. And I'll go start the process on, not tomorrow, tomorrow's Sunday, I gotta go to work. Start the process Monday on separating the cocks and the hens. But thank you everybody who gave me a comment about it. Blessing Loft, Rocky Ridge, and who else was it? God, I can't think of who it was. But whoever the other person was, I'll give them a shout out tomorrow. All right, peace. Comment, subscribe, do what you do.